So it's my wife's birthday, and I dropped her car off to get the windows tinted. And this is why everybody needs a unicycle, because I have other stuff to do today. So I can just drop the car, get on the Sherman, and go do my business. So I'm going to hit a few different places this morning. My first stop's going to be at the Home Depot. I was riding the mountain bike park the other day, and I realized that my ports for my charger to charge my Max up are these little flimsy caps. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get some covers for them that I can screw on and put a wrench on, tighten them down. That way there's no chance of water getting in them. So that's what I'm off running doing today. Just picking these caps up from Home Depot. Then I'm going to go stop at a coffee shop and have a coffee. And back to the house. So that's why I'm not stranded today. This is why everybody needs a unicycle. So you can get your business taken care of when you're taking care of other business. Home Depot. Wasn't too far down the road. Get my stuff taken care of here. Anywho, that's why everybody should have a unicycle. Peace out.